Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Teacher Rayson and I will be your vocabulary teacher for today. But first, let me ask you, how are you? Good. Now, let's start. Our topic for today is common confusing words. There are many confusing words nowadays, and one of those words are lend and borrow. First, what is lend? Okay. We use lend to say that we give something temporarily and an intention to return that. For example, money or a cell phone. How about borrow? What is borrow? We use borrow to say that we take something temporarily but with intention to return it. Let's make an example for lend. I lent some money to my friend. Lend. I give something. How about borrow? She borrowed money from me yesterday. Borrowed because of the word yesterday. It happens in the past. Okay. Let me repeat. When you say lend, we use lend to say that we give something temporarily but with intention to return it. While borrow, we use borrow to say that we take something temporarily and with intention to return it. Questions? Good. Next. How about advice and advice? In this word, the difference is the spelling, okay? The first advice spelled with letter C, and the second advice spelled with letter S. Now, what are their difference? First, pronunciation. How do you pronounce this word spelled with C? Okay, so we pronounce this word, advice, spelled with letter C as advice. Okay? How about advice spelled with letter S? Good. We pronounce this sounds letter Z, like advice. Okay, that's the first difference. Second is noun and verb. Question. Which is noun and which is verb here? Okay. Advice spelled with letter C is a noun, and advice that's spelled with letter S is a verb. I'll give you an example. Advice spelled with letter C. Example. Her advice was really helpful. In this sentence, advice is a noun. How about advice spelled with letter S as a verb? She advised me yesterday to come to her class. Okay. Advice here is in past tense because of the word yesterday. So it happens in the past. Now, in your activity, okay, I will write a word here and you have to give me your opinions without using vocabulary or a dictionary. Let's try affect and effect. I will give you 3 minutes to think, okay? Then, to identify the meaning of this one, you have to use this also in a sentence. Okay? So your 3 minutes starts now.